Namaste. Myself Dr. Ayush Kumar Garg from Department of Dhargun, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's Institute, Rajasthan. Today I am going to discuss about study of macroscopic, microscopic characters and demonstration of organoleptic characteristics and Graye agrae of Guruji stem. These are the photographs of Tinospora cordifolia, which is a climber. Next, morphological characteristics. Guruji is a gregarious glabrous twinner. Older stems are up to 2 cm in diameter and have corky bark. Aerial roots arise from nodal scars of branches. Stem and branches are specked with white vertical lenticels. Its bark is grey-brown or creamy-white, watery, papery thin, and peels off easily. Leaves are 5 to 50 centimeters long and ovate in shape and acute margin. They are membranous when young but become more or less leathery with age. Next, floral characteristics. Its flowers are yellow in color, unisexual, minute, and less than 2 mm in size. Male flowers are grouped in axillary racemes, while female flowers are solitary. Fruits is an ovoid and succulent drupe, clusters, red in color, and of the size of a large pea having a single seed. Seeds is fleshy and curved. Flowers occurs in May to June, while fruiting is witnessed in September to October. Next, slight preparation of tinospora stem. Aim to prepare temporary stained glycerin mount of transverse section of tinospora stem. Material required: sharp razor, brush, proper needle, watch glass, microscopic slide, cover slip, safranin, glycerin, and compound microscope. Techniques: take 2 to 3 centimeter long pieces of material. Holds the material between thumb and first finger of the left hand. Hold the razor in the right hand with edge of the blade facing you and handle at right angle to it. Dip the top of the material in water, then start cutting transverse section as fast as possible in a watch glass containing water. Select the thinnest section of the material with the help of a delicate brush. Take a clean watch glass with water, transfer thin section of the material. Then put a few drops of saline stain in the watch glass with water. Leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Drain off stain and wash with water if necessary. Put the thinnest section in the center of the slide. Put a drop of glycerin over the material. Cover it with a curved slip with the help of needle. Then observe it under a compound microscope after staining and mounting. These are some microscopic images of Guruji stem. First one is TS of aerial root of male plant and second one is TS of aerial roots of female plants. You can see the transverse section of Guruji stem. A is the stem of male flower and B is the stem of female flowers. Identifying characteristic. TS of young stem have single layered epidermis covered with thick cuticles. Hypodermis is collenchymatous, middle cortex of chlorenchymatous, and inner cortex is parenchymatous present in nose region. Pericycle is sclerenchymatous, broad, continuous, and arranged in wavy rings with well-defined ridge and furrows at almost regular intervals. Vascular bundles, many arranged in a ring, bicollateral, fluid, or open. Phloem is well developed, consists of seed tube, companion cells, and parenchyma. Xylem composed of vessels, tracheids, fibers, and parenchyma. Cambium is present toward the periphery. Starch grains are embedded in most of the parenchymatous cells. Starch grains are simple, varying in shapes and size. Mucilage canals are also present in hypodermal and cortical regions. However, epidermis diminishes the lignifying cork and is present at maturity. Cork cambium is well developed 3 to 5 cells broad. Hypodermis 8 to 10 cells broad, parenchymatous and having plenty mucilaginous canals in the region. Cortex of parenchymatous, pericycle is sclerenchymatous, discontinuous in arc-shaped patches followed by 3 to 5 broad layers of parenchymatous tissue and are of the serenchyma age also present below the region. Phloem is well developed as in young stem and in the group just above the xylem. you are satisfied with my digital suggestion. If you have any query, please mention in comment box.